Hey there, everyone. I'm Sean Southworth, an attorney who represents federal employees. Today, I want to break down a major development involving the Supreme Court and the Trump administration's hold on $2 billion in foreign aid, all in plain English so you know what's going on and why it matters to you. Earlier this year, President Trump froze about $2 billion in foreign aid funding. A federal judge ordered the administration to release that money by midnight last night, arguing the freeze was too broad. The administration raced to the Supreme Court saying, "We can't do this and so fast, it'll take weeks." At the 11th hour, Chief Justice John Roberts issued what's called an administrative stay. That basically puts a temporary pause on the judge's midnight deadline. So no big final ruling yet, but the money isn't flowing quite yet either. So why this matters to federal employees? You might be thinking, okay, how does this affect me, a federal employee? Well, first of all, funding uncertainty. If you work for an agency like the State Department or USAID, your projects or your colleagues' projects may be directly impacted. Delays in funding can mean paused programs, additional paperwork, or challenges with compliance. Broader trend of consolidating power, perhaps against the Constitution. This is one of the first times the president's alleged sweeping cost-cutting measures have hit the Supreme Court. If the court rules that the administration can freeze or unfree funds with minimal oversight from Congress, that precedent could affect other federal programs down the line, possibly impacting your department's resources or budget. Compliance and court orders. There's been talk about whether the administration is fully obeying court rulings. That uncertainty can create tension for federal employees caught between agency directive and court mandates. So next steps and what to watch for. Chief Justice Roberts' move is just a temporary pause to allow more time for briefing. In a couple of days, the Supreme Court will likely decide whether to keep the freeze paused and let the case play out in the lower courts, or require immediate compliance and force release of the $2 billion while litigation continues. If the court sides with the administration, that will expand the president's leeway in freezing funds. If it sides with the judge, agencies will have to move quickly to disperse the frozen money and possibly rethink how future freezes are implemented. So that's the latest on this case. There's various cases right now, just trying to keep you updated. Thank you everybody for your support and hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.